Hi, I am Dr. Gurudatta, a qualified and registered naturopath and acupuncturist in Bangalore. I am the founder of Anandamaya Wellness Center, which is located in JP Nagar, Bangalore, India. Thank you. Yoga, as we all know, is one of the popular and exciting fields for most of us today. There are several different kinds of yoga and approach to different people. It depends on the individual what exactly they want. I personally recommend first we have to have a detailed assessment of a person based on their constitution and health issues, and accordingly yoga should be prescribed and taught. So even then, some of the basic things which we need to understand for beginners is to make sure that they do start with a warm-up, which is yogic in style, some breathing exercises, simple basic asanas in all the four postures, in the sense in the standing posture, lying on the back, lying on the abdomen, sitting postures, and the shavasana, one of the most important things. Along with that, we need to do pranayamas. These are all the basics of Hatha yoga. This is what I would recommend generally for most of them who wants to start with yoga therapy. And it is also important we need to have an approach of yoga for beginners in a more individualistic manner, so that they learn and their interest is retained for a long period of time. When the interest is retained for a long period of time, they tend to practice regularly. When the practice is regular, the effects are much more fantastic. So it is always recommended to go to the right person to learn yoga, who is qualified and registered also. And the basics has to be understood both theoretically and practically and practiced regularly. Thank you.